Alright, so last episode of this challenge, y'all watched me struggle to get my first pair of bricks. But thanks to Drop Alert and some of their amazing features, I was able to land the triple black Jordan 1 mids. Now, my preferred selling route is eBay. However, like we established, everything goes in this challenge as far as selling and acquiring, so we can sell on eBay, local, anywhere we need to, and we can get them for wherever we need to. The only rule is no hype sneakers. So let's jump right into episode 2. Alright, so it looks like we made a sale on the triple black Jordan 1s. So I'm gonna show y'all exactly how to pack them up and send them out on eBay. Alright, so here they are once again. Alright, I'm gonna use a box about this size. Alright, so the process is simple. Alright, so you take the box. Alright, so next, honestly, the only thing we gotta do is print out the shipping label, stick it onto a box, take it to the post office. Alright, so we here at the post office, gonna drop the pack off. Alright, so we got the Jordan 1 mid sold, and now we got $150 to play with after the taxes. They really sold for $170, but after eBay's fees and shipping and everything, we brought back $150, which is still a good profit. So as you can see, this challenge is already starting off better than the last one. Now, I like selling on eBay because it's always worked better for me personally, better than StockX. The shipping process has always been easy because you print the packing slip directly in eBay's system. eBay's discount is really just as good as any out there as far as shipping labels. All right, with the times we in, it's really hard to get to the mall these days. And so we really haven't had the option to really go to department stores and stuff like that. However, I'm gonna do this pretty much, it looks like, online. And I know a lot of people in the comments tell me they don't have stores near them, so they'll be able to relate to this. And so I'm gonna show y'all that it's possible. We're gonna get it done. So now to continue this challenge, there's one shoe that's really coming up on my radar, and that's the Hyper Royal Jordan 1 mids. All right, so these released on Nike.com. As you know, the Hyper Royal colorway itself is one of the OG colorways from the first time they dropped in '85. And for all my beginners in the sneaker world, that usually means high hype, high resale value. However, as you know, in today's world, mids and lows are actually frowned upon by the sneakerheads. And I'm gonna be real clear in my stance on it as well. I don't knock people who don't like mids. However, I come from the age of sneakerheads where you can pretty much like what you like and buy what you like. And honestly, as long as you wasn't rocking no Team J's, you was okay. But check this out, my homies in the Cook group been telling me, like, honestly, in the dry month of January, mids and lows pretty much been keeping their operation afloat, all right? So I'm definitely gonna go all in on these Jordan 1 Hyper Royals. Now, these are gonna be released in a couple places, but I know Nike for sure. So we definitely gonna go for Nike. And I know that the stock number is pretty high on Nike, so I'm excited about trying to get those. All right, so we're gonna go for the Hyper Royal 1s, the mids. They're OG colorway. I don't care what nobody say. They definitely gonna be a good brick to flip though. But everybody talking about, nah, they mids. Bro, they fresh. And if we can get a pair of these for personal, we definitely gonna do it. So let's try to see what we get. All right, so as you see, me and my wife, we got up and we actually got some. She copped 2 pairs. I was able to cop 1, and honestly, 2 of those are gonna be personals. But honestly, the release wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. It felt really easy to get. However, they released a little bit early, so I thought we missed them. My wife caught it. But they are sold out, and whenever they're sold out, that means we got resale value. All right, so y'all know how we do on this channel. Whenever we get a fresh pair of shoes, we like to unbox them. We got the regular box that the mids come in, all right? Now, this isn't to be confused with the high OG box, all right? So if anybody's ever trying to sell you some high OGs and it comes in this box, that automatically lets you know they fake. Let's move right on to unboxing. So we got the standard 23 paper on the top. So we got a pretty nice blue and black shoe. All right, now here, if you ever hear the old sneakerheads talk about the premium leather on these, this is what they're talking about. Definitely a high quality. Now, once again, they're mids, meaning right here at the neck is short. The high is gonna come up here, but although they're mids, I still think they're gonna do something. So let me know in the comments what y'all think about this shoe, if y'all like it or not. Either way, I definitely think we're gonna get some good retail from it. Right now, I'm not really seeing any major resale value on them. However, and we got them for $125 shipping included. So we're gonna throw them on eBay for about $175 and see if they shake. And from what history shows, these will actually be really good holds. However, we got a challenge to do and we ain't really trying to hold them that long. You do have to wait till next episode to find out if we sold them. If you're interested in sneaker reselling, phone flipping, and just general ways to make money, please check out some of my other videos. Love everybody out there. Can't wait for next episode. Let's get it.